Firefighters say by the time they arrived Thursday, flames had already engulfed this small Leroy Township barn.
It was a total loss from the beginning, so we worked to put the fire out, worked to save any animals we could.
I believe they lost a cow. They lost some of the kids' 4-H animals, some goats. I believe maybe some of the turkeys or birds. They lost a tractor, the whole barn, all their feed and hay.
My wife was in tears. Our neighbor Lori was in tears. And it was very heartfelt because everybody on the street has animals.
The property owner's permission, Rob Pitts, took to Facebook hoping to get the family a little help.
Well, I know there's only a couple thousand people that live in Leroy, and I figured maybe I'd get 10, 15 people saying that they'd be willing to help out.
Within 24 hours, he says he was overwhelmed. More than 800 shares, offers from everywhere, including Don Milo.
These stalls are available for any of their animals. We have hay storage on top that's empty, and we also have hay storage over here next to the tractor, which I could move, obviously.
Even last night before we left, there was neighbors showing up with dinner for them and hay for the animals that were out in the pasture and that, and feed for the other animals.
As an adult, we learn to cope. As a child, they don't understand that kind of stuff. Right. So when you got a little girl's looking out the back window of the house while the barn's burning down, and she knows her animals are in there. That was what bit at me because I have 2 children.
Residents of Leroy Township say it's just what neighbors do for each other. They also now see that social media in some way makes us all neighbors.
It tells us right there that people really have a lot of heart and they want to reach out, try to help someone who's really kind of been down and so forth, or experienced something really traumatic. And that's what's really good about this.
In Leroy Township, Dave Nethers, Fox 8 News.